This is just a tip. When you remove your lipstick, instead of just washing it, you can grab yourself a tissue and just dab into any petroleum jelly. This is the one that I use. It's the Johnson's baby jelly. And hey my raisins, welcome back to today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. If you are new, please join the family and click the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's up, what it do, baby? Yes. Okay, so today we are going to have a tutorial on how to achieve an ombre lip. So let's start off. I have something on my lips already, and I'm just going to take that off to start with. The first color is the red group. Okay, so we're going to do an ombre red. Let me first start by removing the situation on my lips. This is just a tip. When you remove your lipstick, instead of just washing it, you can grab yourself a tissue and just dab into any petroleum jelly. This is the one that I use. It's the Johnson's baby jelly. And it's like that. And then you wipe it with the tissue that didn't have any Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Okay. And just like that, we are good to go. All right, so let's start off with ombre lip number 1. Thank you so much for watching, family. I'll see you guys in the next video. I really hope you liked this tutorial, and see you on the flip side. Mwah.